All right, good morning, another day. So you know how you wake up and you think, I need to change my hair, I'm gonna cut it off, I need something different, I'm going crazy. Don't do it, don't cut your hair. You can wear your hair short and up and feel like you had something done or a new style or something different. So we're gonna put our hair in a little bob today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I like to back comb my hair because you know I like big hair. Give me my big old bob, big old stacked bob. Alright, so I just back comb it all up. And then what I'm gonna do is smooth it down with my hands because I don't care if I have a messy bob. And I'll start with the back because then that'll show me where I want the rest to be, and I'll just twist up the back. What I do is just twist it up, put my pin in, and bring it out. Okay? A little stacked bob, twist it up. All you're gonna do is twist the other sides up to it to match it. Pin it up. It's a great way to see if you're thinking about cutting your hair into a bob, if that's what you really want to do. I know I don't want to do that. I don't want to look like a soccer mom. Sorry everybody out in there with your bobs. Some girls can rock it. I just like a hairstyle where I can have versatility. Obviously, I gotta switch it up. When I get to the front, I just like to pull it. Right. There you have it. Your hair is now in a bob, pinned up. Of course, you know, I will freeze and shine my bob. You can pull it up, pull your back coming up, and that's what that and fluff it. Because you know I need a big old fat angry bob. Little mess. Go to work like this, people will be like, oh my god, why did you cut all your hair off? And you'd be like, please, it's gonna be grown back tomorrow. Okay, and that's how you do it. Put it up, wear your little bob for the day. Okay, rock it. You know, I like to wear a little undone and messy. So I'm crazy like that. I don't need nothing perfect in my life, okay? So there we go, another one done. If you like this video, press the like, smash the like, okay? 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up at least, okay? For the 6 people that are still watching these videos, thank y'all for keeping with me. We're in February, okay? Hope you all have a great day, have a great night, have a good month, and I'll see you next time.